And at this point, let us take this moment to, of course, acknowledge our dynamic and aspiring municipal officials. First, we have here Honorable Mayor Jennifer Garin Culada. Good evening, ma'am. Then also we have our Honorable Vice Mayor Christine Titi Garin. With them are the SU members. We have Honorable Mary Ann Suyo Lujan, Honorable Cristela Custodio Margarito, Honorable Jomari Pinelo, Honorable Ivy Hikimiana, Honorable Lorna Yang, Honorable Lemuel Guliete, and Honorable Butchik Albero. We also have the Sangguniang Kabataan Municipal Federation, Honorable Yumilka Hepulyo. Thank you so much and good evening, moms and sirs. To officially welcome us this evening, may we now call on the Vice Mayor of the Municipality of Guimbal, Honorable Christine S. Garin, for her words of welcome.
Sa ating mga distinguished awardees, municipal officials, pag-ulan na introduce Sir Larry in the region, and our SU members, our guests, our proud families, together with our awardees, friends and fellow Guimbalanos, maayagit with the PE sa kanila. It is with great pride and joy that I welcome all of you to this special gathering as we honor our outstanding Guimbalanos. Individuals whose dedication, excellence, and service have brought honor not only to themselves, not only to their families, but to our beloved town of Guimbal. Tonight is more than a celebration of achievements. It is a tribute to the values that define us as Guimbalanos. No matter where life takes us, our roots in Guimbal remain the source of strength and inspiration. To encourage our community to strength and remind us all that greatness begins here. Salamat din sa namin sa pagpasok. This is a very short program. This honor is